Hey guys, Brett Jackrell here from MotoElectricVehicles.com at our beautiful brand new building that we built last year to review our custom seat upgrades. Now guys, we've been having a lot of people upgrading their seats here. I just want to make it very clear, on all of our golf carts, the standard color is tan. And then you guys have the option to upgrade. I have a chart that I usually send you with all different swatches, and you guys can really use your imagination to set off the vehicle to be your personal vehicle. So what I want to do in this video is I want to give you a good shot at some that we have going on. My camera guy David here is going to zoom in on some vehicles here. The first one, we have our 4-passenger street legal golf cart forward facing MotoEV. Now once again, this is our navy blue color, and this customer went ahead and scrapped the tan and went to an all salt white seat. Once again, when you get to our seats, you're going to get a marine grade vinyl, a little bit more heavy duty than what comes with it. We put a little bit more foam in there, and you have a choice of 1 or a 2-tone seat. So what is a 1 or 2-tone seat? This would be a 1-tone. Let's skip on over to a super custom one. This one's going up to Pennsylvania. This is our 8-passenger street legal golf cart going to a company called Turnbridge. Has a lot of accessories on here. You can see they have the sound bar, custom seats. We even put their patches in the seats, and we can really have fun with the seats, guys. That's what I want to stress in this video. We got the carbon fiber white in the middle, the royal blue on the outside to match the blue of the cart, and then they went ahead and we turned their logo into a patch and sewed it into the seat. So if you're a company, if you have a favorite sports team, as long as we have the licensing agreement to the logo, we can go ahead and put the logo in the seat. But once again, really beautiful seat. I love this one with the logo in the middle. There's nothing more to say. I mean, we do really good quality work. The stitching's nice. Love when the carbon fiber is in the middle of the seat, which is really cool. So once again, this is a blue and white color combination. Now, I want to go over to this next car. One of my favorite customers, Carol, she wanted to do a special cart for her son, and his favorite color was yellow. And she wanted to do a yellow cart with black seat. So David, let's get on over here to this. Once again, another 4-passenger street legal golf cart, forward facing golf cart from MotoEV. Yellow custom painted. This was white to start. We went ahead and did a yellow paint job, which you also can look at in our accessory list, and then hit them with a middle stripe carbon fiber Big Bird yellow. With a black insert. So really nice seat. Once again, a lot more cushion than what comes with it, a little bit better material, and then obviously you get to pick the colors to match the cart. So you know, whether you get a 2-seater, 4-seater, 6-seater, 8-seater, all the way up to our 46-passenger Tram, we can go ahead and do a custom seat for you. Last one I wanted to show you in the video, once again, custom painted cart. You can see we do a lot of custom seats, custom paint jobs. This one was also white. This one has a really nice seat. David, get super close on that. You're going to see this is a Virginia Tech fan that picked blood red out of our exterior paint book and went ahead and did a carbon fiber insert in the black with a black seat, and then went ahead and did a maroon striping to match the cart. What a beautiful setup this is. One of my favorite seats. We featured this cart several times on a lot of our advertisements and on our website. But you can see you can add piping to it. If you don't want the piping, the other 3 seats you saw didn't have the piping. It just basically flows into the seat. But really nice. I mean, obviously you can't feel it, but you can see, I mean, there's a lot of cushion in these. And that's one big advantage of why you get the custom seats. Not only for the colors, and not only because they become beautiful, but they have a little bit more cushion and they're a little bit more comfortable. So guys, to wrap up this video, once again, Brett Jackrell, sales manager with Moto Electric Vehicles. Listen, you guys are making an investment. Why not make it with something that's a little bit more personalized to y'all's taste? So if you guys are interested in our custom seat package, call our offices, 904-247-1818. Visit us online at MotoElectricVehicles.com and ask your sales representative to add it to your order. Once again, Brett Jackrell, sales manager. We'd love to have you as a customer.